Good morning, class 9. Today we are here to read our first chapter in English, that is The Fun They Had. It is your Beehive lesson. You have two books, you know that. One is Beehive and one is Moments. This is the first chapter of Beehive. The Fun They Had. The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov is the writer of this story. In this story, a futuristic planning is referred. Okay, means here this is the story of a future type of schools that will build into 2155, 2156, 57. At that time, our today's school will become a story, and this story is being discussed here. Here, two main characters are there in this story. First one is Tommy, who is 13-year-old boy, and second one is Margie, 11-year-old girl. Okay, scene 1. Scene 1, when the scene starts, means when the story starts, Margie, first it has been written that Margie wrote in her diary, and the date of the diary is mentioned, means it was 17 May 2157, means in future, that she wrote in her diary that today Tommy found a real book in 2157, and on the date 17 May, Margie wrote in her diary that Tommy found a real book. What real book mean? Real book means, according to the theory, real book was an old book and it was printed on papers, means it was a printed book. At those times, no printed books were available. All the books were on screen, means in digitalized form. They used to study through digital medium. Okay, the pages were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means what? If we turn the pages, they will crunch. They will start making sound. At that time, Margie and Tommy used to take lessons on mechanical teachers. These mechanical teachers described here are just like TV screens. Okay, mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher was electronic teacher. It was like school to them. Means in today's school, we have a human teacher who teaches us everything, and different teachers are there to teach different subjects. But at those times, there will be only one mechanical teacher, and that mechanical teacher, means just a TV screen, will deal all the subjects one by one in a given specified timing. This is the modern type of school that has been described in this story, and that will occur in 2157. Then they used to sit near to the mechanical teacher, near their bedroom, means they don't have to go anywhere. The schools are near to their bedroom. And Margie submit the homework in form of punch codes, means the homeworks are not today's just like copies and pens we have. They do not use these types of things. They are only giving the homeworks and submitting the homeworks in form of punch codes. Okay, now mechanical teachers was like TV screen. They are like TV screens, and the theories are being run on the TV screen, and what we say that it is connected through a audio voice, and the voice you can hear, and you can easily deal with the topics that is given in the screens, on the screens. But this made Margie very funny, and this made her funny, and she started laughing that what kind of books is the real books? These are how funny books. The words are still on a page, and it is just a waste. She called the book as a waste, but it is not a waste. It was of the grandfather's time, and at that time the books were really like that she shopped. She got more information about the book. She asked Tommy, the book is about which topic? Then Tommy told her that the book is on school. Again she laughed. What is written about the schools? Schools are very funny places. She hates schools. Why she hates the schools? It is given here. Once Margie teacher, geography sector geared up and this led to her poor marks. Means again and again she was giving her test, and in every test she is getting poor and poor marks. Mother told county inspector. The county inspector was the chief mechanical man who used to deal with the mechanical teachers, and she called her to repair it. After knowing about after knowing about the problem, county inspector repaired the mechanical teacher in just 2 hours. And Margi thought that she would take the teacher away and she will get a month relaxment, as Tommy got once when her history sector was totally erased. Same incident happened with Tommy also, and Tommy's mechanical teacher history sector was cleared. It means history sector was cleared, and at that time the county inspector took the machine with them, and after a month they installed the history sector and then returned the machine. At 1 month, the Tommy got a total relief. You don't have to collect any. Don't have to go to the school. That means don't have to go to the mechanical teacher and take the lessons. Tommy told Margi about those days schools. Means about the school, about the what is written in the book, where the children go together, study together, and had fun. They go together, they sit together, they talk together, and the teacher teaches everybody same thing, and they can share the notes with them. They can take the help from their friends. They can combine the studies with them, and they can easily discuss the topic, difficult topic which they found in the books. But today is totally different. They cannot discuss. They are simply alone. And everything, they are totally dependent on the mechanical teacher. They don't have any friends. They are not playing, and these are the things that Margi missed. So at the last, after knowing about the old days school, after knowing all about the old days school, Margi missed all those days, and so the story was called The Fun They Had. Means the fun the children had in the past, but in the future these types of fun will be missed by the children of the future generation. This will not return. This is the story all about. You can easily write down and copy down the notes here, and this will make you understand the topic clearly.